Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna give you a review for $7 Miniso Nail Care system. Is it worth buying? Let's check it out. Last week I went to the mall and found this electric kind of nail care stuff. I don't know, but it's intriguing. And it got 5 nail function heads. I'm gonna show you one by one. The first one is this. This is the shaping tool. This one is precision shaper. This one is emery tool. This one is a cuticle pusher. And the biggest one is a buffing tool. And I also found a YouTube channel called Miniso Pakistan, and I'm gonna watch this video with you. As you can see in the video, they're using the shaping tool for clips the corner of your nails and removes dead skin and cocoon and cleans the skin. So I think it's supposed to clean this. So it's supposed to clean this part, remove the dead skin around, and maybe here. Maybe. Let's see the next one. This one is precision shaper. It's supposed to repairs and makes the edge of your nail smooth. You use it like around it. Edges of your nails. Oh, you're supposed to use it like this. And for the third one, also the squared one, so you're supposed to use the emery tool for polishes the surface of your nails and trims uneven parts of your nails. So around here. The pink one, you use it for making your nails smoother. So for the surface, you need to use this first and then this. So for this one, the buffing tool, you're supposed to use it after this. So it's all, I think I got it. I think it's pretty easy. But first, I have a gel nail polish on, so I'm gonna try to use one of them to maybe remove some of the nail polish that I got. They're not claiming anything about removing gel nail polish, so I'm quite intrigued to try it out if it even works. And oh, they also comes with this for putting the pen when you're not using it, and also it got light, UV light. You see it? Yeah, it got UV light for nail polish. Yeah, they said it's for drying your nail under the LED lamp. So this is the LED lamp. I also have this mini thing. I got it maybe for like $5 or $7, I think, maybe 1 or 2 years ago. So if this doesn't work, I'm gonna still using this one. Let's try to remove all this first, okay? Maybe I'm gonna use this. This one might work. I don't know. Let's see. Ooh. This is the first time I'm using this, by the way. So, I don't know. Oh my god. Oh, it feels funny. Oh, it came out. It came out. Okay. Maybe I should hold it like this. It's still coming out. Oh my god. It hurt a little bit. Maybe not this. Maybe I'm gonna try this one, this hand. Oh my god. I don't think it's supposed to do that. Let's try it for what it's supposed to do. Removing the excess skin. Oh, why is it coming out? Oops, it's working. I don't like the feeling of this. definitely feels weird. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
It just came out! Oh my god. I'm gonna just remove the nail polish with this first, and then we can try it later, okay? Okay, now all the nail polish has been removed. Let's try this out for removing the cuticle outside as the video showed. I'm quite nervous for using it again. Let's see. Oh. Okay, I think this is it. I don't think they can remove more of this. I do think that this scissor going to remove more than this. So I decided to just use the Miniso Nail Care system for the left hand and the other hand with just the normal thing that I usually use. Let's see if it works, and we're gonna see in the end which one do a better job. For the second one, for the second head that they gave us, this is a precision shaper. They said like it can remove the tip. This head is supposed to repair and make the edges of your nails smooth, so you can use it like this, right? And the video, they also show us that we can use it for this part of the cuticle. So let's see. I don't think it's trimming anything though. Let's try for the cuticle. Oh, it's coming out. Again? It just flies out. Well. I did a dumb thing. Yesterday I filmed myself using this Miniso Nail Care system, right? With all the 5 heads. And this thing is keep popping out from these tools. And I don't think too much about that at the time. I think, yeah, it might be just small production or something. But from the video that I showed you at the beginning, the heads is not just like this. It's go inside. Oh my god. In my defense, that day when I bought this thing, I asked the staff, there are only one staff available. And I asked him how to use this thing, and he said, yeah, miss, just put it in and turn it on. So that's what I did. So now I can push it really hard, so it really did make impact to my nail polish. So I think this time it's going to work. Yep, still don't like the feeling. Oh my god, it did work. It did work! Oh yeah. Continue. Oh yeah. I did all of them in under 10 minutes. This is really good. You redeem yourself, Miniso Nail Care system. After we're done removing all of them, they didn't claim that this head could remove the nail polish, so I'm quite impressed. So let's try for what it's supposed to do, removing cuticles. Not the fan of the feeling. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like something grinding or on your skin, trying to get in. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. For this part, you have to be really careful because it's really delicate and not much you can remove from this. So I found a trick that you need to put it like you need to press and pull like this. Otherwise, it's gonna get hot and hurt your skin. Okay, all done. Yep. Let's try the other head. This one is for cutting the edge of your nails and buffing it out coarsely because they have actually so many choices for buffing. So this one is like the coarse one, the first step. This one like first step, second, third, fourth. Oops. It still doesn't really cut that much. Oh yeah. Ooh, it did make the edge of my nail smooth. Maybe after you cutting it, you can use this head because usually when you cut your nails, it got like a sharp and uncomfortable, right? You can use this. Oh, I'm quite impressed right now. Okay, now I'm using it for buffering the surface of my nail. It doesn't do much. Maybe after I use the second or third tip, it's going to be better. It doesn't do much, honestly. Emery tool. Okay. This one also didn't do much. You see? Like I'm pushing it, but it didn't really do anything. I don't know what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to like make my nails look more shiny, right? Let's try the cuticle pusher. So it's for cuticle. Like this. But I did push my cuticle with the first head. Not that much different. But it did buff my nails a little bit better than the previous one. And the last one, also the biggest one. This one is buffing tool. So it should be my last step. And it should buff all the surface to make it shinier. Oh, I like this. Oh, yay. It doesn't hurt. This one doesn't hurt. Maybe this one is my favorite one. Oh my god, it's like magic. Let's see another one. Ooh, yay. I like it. Oh my god. I think it redeemed itself. Really, really good. I like this buffing one and the first head that they gave. So I definitely gonna use this too. If I have to choose, buffing tool is definitely my favorite one. And the second one is shaping tool because it can remove the surface of your gel nail polish. And the third one is probably the cuticle pusher. And I don't really think like this two does anything. But it's still, I don't know, maybe it did buff my nail a little bit, but not too much. So, should I end this video right here? Are you happy? Look at my beautiful nail. It's perfectly manicured, even though it's not like super shiny. If you want to make your nails super shiny because you don't want to use any nail polish, you can buy this one. This nail buffer really is a magic. You see this? This is before, right? After you use this, it's going to be glossy and shiny. It's magic, basically. Look! How could you resist this? I definitely recommend this buffer. This one is more matte. This one is more glossy. So if you like your nail to be glossy without any nail polish, you should get this. Definitely lifesaver. And this little lamp is supposed to dry your gel nail polish, but it doesn't work. I left it for 60 seconds. It should be more than enough. And it still didn't do its job. And on the other hand, I'm using this little handy dandy small LED lamp. I only left it about 30 seconds and it dries completely. So I think this lamp, I don't know what's wrong with it. Maybe the lamps is just too small. Maybe they only give it like one lamp in, and this one has 6. Maybe that's the case. I don't know. Or maybe they're using the wrong lamp. I don't know. Maybe. I'm not going to put a nail polish for a while for this hand because I did paint it yesterday and I removed it today. So this hand could use some rest. If you're like me, doing your nails at home all the time, or you just want to try to do it at home because going to the salon consumes a lot of money, right? So you need to give it a try. $7 worth your money. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye!